In today's fast-paced world that often demands so much from us, it's easy for women to lose sight of their immense value and the incredible strength and beauty that lies within her soul. This video about positive affirmations for women is especially crafted to help every woman in the world practice self-love and boost self-esteem and reconnect with her innermost desires to rediscover and to rekindle the extraordinary power of her essence and bathe in the warmth of self-love and empowerment. Let's begin by breathing in deeply, inviting love into every cell of your being. As you exhale, release any doubts or fears that shadow your brilliance as you recite these affirmations for self-love. I am a magnificent, powerful, and worthy woman today and every day. I am a masterpiece of my own making. With each breath, I fill my soul with love and compassion for myself. I am deserving of all the kindness I offer so freely to others. My beauty is unique and radiates from within. I embrace my imperfections. They are the map of my resilience. I am my own sanctuary, a temple of peace and self-love. I nourish my soul with self-care and compassion. Every day, I grow more in love with the person I am becoming. I'm worthy of my own love and affection. My heart is an endless source of love for myself and the world. Self-love is my natural state, my birthright. I am gentle with myself and recognize my own worth. My self-love heals and empowers me every day. I celebrate my uniqueness, embracing my true self with open arms. I radiate love from within, attracting more love in return. Loving myself is a joyful journey that I embark on every day. I am a masterpiece of my own making. With each breath, I fill my soul with love and compassion for myself. I am deserving of all the kindness I offer so freely to others. My beauty is unique and radiates from within. I embrace my imperfections. They are the map of my resilience. I am my own sanctuary, a temple of peace and self-love. I nourish my soul with self-care and compassion. Every day, I grow more in love with the person I am becoming. Inhale the strength of mountains. Feel the courage of the oceans within your heart. And as you exhale, let go of the weight of doubt as you silently say these affirmations for strength and courage. I'm an unbreakable force, resilient in the face of challenges. My spirit is fierce, my will unyielding. I conquer my fears with the sword of courage. Every step I take is a declaration of my strength. I am the heroine of my own story, crafting its path with courage. In the symphony of life, my voice sings the bravest tunes. I face life's storms with courage and emerge stronger. My strength is as vast as the ocean, unending and majestic. I possess the courage to walk my own path with confidence. Adversity only makes my spirit grow stronger and more resilient. I am a warrior, armed with courage and determination. With every challenge, my inner strength shines brighter. I embrace life's challenges with courage, growing wiser and stronger. My bravery is a beacon, guiding me through darkness to light. I am fearless in the pursuit of what sets my soul on fire. My courage inspires others as I lead by example. I am an unbreakable force, resilient in the face of challenges. My spirit is fierce, my will unyielding. I conquer my fears with the sword of courage. Every step I take is a declaration of my strength. I am the heroine of my own story, crafting its path with courage. In the symphony of life, my voice sings the bravest tunes. With each breath in, gather the dreams scattered among the stars. As you breathe out, release any ties that bind them from reality, and say these affirmations for your empowerment and achievement. I am the architect of my destiny, building bridges towards my dreams. My potential is limitless, my achievements boundless. I am empowered by my vision, driven by my passion. Success is my natural state, woven into the fabric of my journey. I dance to the rhythm of my achievements, celebrating every victory. In the garden of possibility, I bloom with brilliance and success. I am unstoppable, turning obstacles into stepping stones. My dreams are within reach, and I grasp them with confidence. I am empowered to create miraculous change in my life. Every day, I achieve greatness in small and big ways. My journey is one of constant success and fulfillment. I celebrate each step towards my dreams, knowing I am on the right path. Empowerment flows through me, igniting the flames of achievement. I attract success in all areas of my life effortlessly. My achievements are a testament to my hard work and determination. I am a magnet for positive outcomes and prosperous opportunities. Inhale deeply, drawing in the essence of your worth. I am the architect of my destiny, building bridges towards my dreams. Inhale deeply, drawing in the essence of your worth. As you exhale, let go of the shadows of doubt that cloud your true value while you silently say these affirmations for your self-esteem and self-worth. I am a treasure, priceless and irreplaceable. My worth shines brighter than the most distant star. I stand tall in the knowledge of my value, unshaken and proud. I am worthy of every chance and every happiness. My self-esteem is a crown, jeweled with self-respect and dignity. In the mirror of life, I see my true self, worthy, deserving, and beautiful. I view myself through eyes of love and accept myself fully. My self-esteem is built on a foundation of self-respect and self-awareness. I am confident in my abilities and trust in my inner wisdom. I am valuable and contribute positively to the world. My worth is immeasurable and not defined by external factors. I believe in myself unconditionally, knowing I am enough. My voice matters, and I express myself with confidence. I am proud of who I am and who I aspire to be. My worthiness is innate and unchanging, a constant truth of my existence. I am deserving of all good things life has to offer. Each affirmation is a step towards recognizing your unlimited potential and embracing the magnificent woman you truly are. Carry these affirmations with you like precious gems in the treasure chest of your soul. Walk in the world with your head held high, your heart open, and your spirit unbreakable. Until next time.